Sure, here's the English version of your 1-minute introduction script. Intro script, duration 1 minute. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked on industrial projects like factories, warehouses, or logistic hubs, you know how important it is to create visuals that are both accurate and detailed. But there's one big issue I'm sure many of you have run into. Enscape's default asset library still lacks many of the specific models needed for industrial scenes. Sometimes you just need a concrete mixer, a pallet, or a simple steel structure, but no matter how long you search, it's just not there. And when your resources are limited, it becomes really hard to produce compelling visualizations. You end up modeling things manually, which takes time and still may not look perfect. That's why in today's video, I'll walk you step by step through converting a mini concrete mixer SketchUp model into a custom Enscape asset so you can use it easily, efficiently, and professionally in any industrial project. Let's dive in. Would you like a thumbnail or follow-up script for the tutorial section next? Before exporting, double-check your Muntingia tree model. Make sure everything is clean, no missing faces, no errors. Also, ensure the entire model is grouped properly for a smooth export process. Next, go to File, Export 3D Model. You can export to any folder, but I usually save it in the same location as the SketchUp file to keep things organized. Make sure you export in FBX format. In the export options, select the correct units, meters or millimeters, and adjust other settings accordingly to preserve model integrity. Important note. Group everything in the model and check for broken parts. It's best to inspect the model one last time just to be sure it's error-free. Now, select the entire model and use the V-Ray toolbar to choose Export Proxy. In the Faces and Preview field, I typically enter 5000. This keeps the proxy looking close to the original model. Click Export and wait for the process to finish. Once your proxy model is ready, export it again. This time as an FBX file. Save it in the same folder and add a proxy suffix to the file name to avoid confusion with the original FBX file. Now open the Enscape Asset library and click the plus button to create a new asset. Expand the interface window for better visibility and smoother workflow. On the right panel, click Import Geometry and locate the FBX file you exported earlier. Wait for the model to load in the preview window. Then we'll move on to editing the materials. In the Materials panel, you'll see all the textures used in the model. Reload the image maps, and the model will immediately look more realistic. Settings like type, albedo, height map, and reflection should already be familiar, so I won't go over them in detail. Just fine-tune everything, and your asset will look high quality in Enscape. After material editing is complete, click the camera icon to capture a thumbnail. This will be used to display your asset visually in the Enscape library. Now link the Proxy FBX model. Navigate to the folder where you saved the file with the orange proxy suffix. Click Show in Preview to see how it looks inside SketchUp. If everything looks good, hit Save Changes and Export. That's it, the conversion is complete. Pretty straightforward, right? Got it. Here's your revised text, just as you requested. Just drag and drop the mini concrete mixer asset right into your SketchUp scene. Align it precisely using the grid, and in less than a minute, it's perfectly placed. The best part? The model stays incredibly lightweight during rendering. Since it's optimized through the Enscape Asset system, there's no need to load heavy geometry or complex materials. Everything runs smoother, faster, and more stable. No lag, no crashes, and no long loading times. You still get high-quality visuals without overloading your system. Fast, clean, professional. Exactly what you need when working under tight deadlines.